Good day, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to talk about using correct and appropriate multimedia resources. Are you ready to listen? Then, let's begin. The word multimedia comes from two Latin roots, multi, which means several or many, and media, or in the middle. This means that the materials on the internet involve several forms of communication to connect the sender and the receiver. Moreover, multimedia is a combination of text, audio, still images, animation, and video. Slides, for example, are multimedia, as they combine text and images, and sometimes video and other types. Now, let's talk about multimedia presentation. It is a presentation file which is not limited to just text in terms of content. For example, it would have interactive video, sound, links, images, and animated GIFs, and transitions in it. Here are the different multimedia resources. Let's discuss them one by one. First, we have text materials. It is the simplest and oldest resource. This can be used in writing instructions, making announcements, giving information, narrating events, and many others. Text is also used to augment other forms of communication, such as a text description of a photograph, subtitles of audio and video, in slides, and many more. The second one is the PowerPoint slides. It is developed by Microsoft and is often used for educational purposes. The presentations are comprised of slides which may contain text, images, and other media such as audio clips and movies. This resource is best to use in giving information, instructions, making explanations, and narrating events. The third one, photographs and other still images. Illustrations are perhaps the oldest form of media. Text and images sometimes combine in a single form, as many software programs make it easy to create text art. Simply take a photograph of your subject and present it as you orally give an information, instruction, explanation, or a narration. It is also possible that you use text as caption of the image. We also have audio files. Your website or presentation can add sound from a musical background to a spoken explanation by including audio files. Simply record information, instruction, explanation, and narration using your smartphone and play it before the class. Next, we have video presentation. Video presents moving pictures and typically combines images and sound for a compelling multimedia experience. Of course, videos can include text as well, which often appears as captioning for spoken words or as text in an image, as in the case of a slide presentation. You can also make a vlog, short for video and blog, and make contents of different subjects. Then we have GIFs and other forms of animation. GIFs is an abbreviation for Graphic Image Files. These are small files that present a single image or rapidly display a sequence of a few images to give the appearance of motion. This group of resources is best to use when you explain and/or narrate events that are just short. There are certain mobile apps that help you create a GIF, and they can be downloaded for free into your smartphone. Now, the table shows the common file types of the multimedia resources. We have text, and the file type is txt. Text with other elements, doc or doc, the docs, and the PDF. The PowerPoint slides for PPT and many others, the images for JPG, PNG, and etc. The audio for MP3, WAV, WMA, video for AVI, and etc., and animation for GIF and FLV. Remember that a multimedia resource is perfect when giving information, giving instructions, making explanations, and narrating events. These are the use of the specific resources. Now, before you use an appropriate media resource in a class presentation, these are the simple questions that you have to ask yourself. First, what is my task and my purpose? Second, what media resource is applicable to use? Do I know how to apply such resource in my presentation? Will I be understood if I use this particular resource or the other? And is this resource accessible during preparation and during presentation? That's all for our discussion today. It's time to try this activity. Are you ready? Get a piece of paper and let's answer. True or false? Write true if the statement is correct and false if otherwise. Number 1. The combination of text, audio, still images, animation, and video is called multimedia. Is it true or false? The correct answer is true. Correct. Number 2. GIF is an abbreviation for Graphic Internet Files. Is it true or false? It's false. GIF means Graphic Image Files. And for number 3, a multimedia presentation is a presentation file which is not limited to just text in terms of content. The answer here is true. Congratulations! Thank you for watching and for listening. I will see you again. This is your Maestra Mela, always at your service.